Are you a course creator, coach, or consultant who wants to make more money selling courses in 2026? I hear you, and this video is for you. My name is Nicola, and I help online business owners make more money from their course sales. Now, in this video, I want to walk you through the strategies that I use and my friends in the industry use to help their clients sell more courses. And I have a pretty awesome free resource for you. If you click the link below, you can grab my free industry report, which features me and 24 of the most trusted voices in the course creator industry, talking about what's actually working in the industry right now. So with this report, we're literally diving into what's actually working. We've got receipts to back up that it's working, and these are the strategies that you can trust. So the people that are in the report are actually in the industry right now, either selling courses or working with clients to help them sell courses. So it's really trusted. You can trust the people that are in there. Now, throughout the report, there were some themes that were coming out, and I'm not going to dive into them in this video. If you want to check out the themes, make sure you grab the free report in the link below. But I wanted to dive into my strategy that I featured inside the report. Now, with this strategy, we have to bear in mind that the course industry has been booming for years now. Since at least 2020, I would say that's really the first big shift in the online industry. Was during the pandemic, a lot of people moved their businesses online. Now, because of that boom, that means that anybody can become a course creator, which has its pros and cons. The pro is that anybody can share their knowledge, their expertise, and their skills online and make money by teaching others their skills, their passion. The problem with that is that anyone can become a course creator and sell courses. It isn't a regulated industry, and what happened was there was a lot of people putting out courses and they were under delivering and over promising. So they had really sexy messaging, which actually worked very well to get leads, to get buyers. And what was happening is that, yes, they were making sales or making a ton of money, but these people were not getting what they were promised and not getting the results that they were promised. So they were asking for refunds. There was a lot of negative reviews online. Obviously, those course creators never spoke about the refund requests they were getting. They only spoke about the revenue. So that's really to caveat all of this. So what's happening over the last few years is that buyers are becoming more and more disillusioned with the course creator industry. They've heard all the promises. They've seen all of the people, and they know that there's a lot of people out there that cannot be trusted. And so because of this, they're taking longer to make buying decisions, which means that what may have worked for you in the past in terms of selling to your audiences may still be working, but it will take you longer to see results. So people might have to be on your email list for longer before they buy from you. They may have to be following you on social media for longer to buy from you, or they may have to see more content from you before they will buy from you. And what this means is that, yes, you will still make money, but you have to work harder and for longer in order to make that money. And it also means that less people will actually buy from you because they're taking longer to make decisions. And so in that time, they get distracted. Things come up with their life, so they'll forget about you, they'll forget about your offers, and they'll probably get distracted by something else as well. And in that meantime, they may start following somebody else and maybe eventually buy their offer. So yes, people are still buying, but we have to work harder to keep their attention on our thing. And so because there are a lot of courses out there, there are a lot of course creators out there, we have to keep people's attention on us. We have to show them why they can trust us. And it isn't enough anymore to just have testimonials, to just have screenshots of people saying how great the program was and they got X result. Because what is happening is your audience is thinking, I'm the exception to that. That's not going to happen for me. Yes, this one client may have made $10,000, but that won't happen for me. And here is the reason why. And so because of this is going on in your potential customer's head, we have to counteract that with actual proof that your programs do what they say on the tin, which means they say they do what the result that you promise that they do. And so to do this, we have to be tracking client results. We have to be tracking if our programs are actually delivering the result that we promise. Number one, because then we know that the program works, and if it doesn't, we can make changes, we can tweak it. And secondly, we have to prove that it works to deliver more compelling marketing for people so that they trust us and that they believe us. So You can include things on your sales page and your sales emails, things like 90% of people said that this program helped them increase their confidence, or people made the program promise in their first 12 weeks of joining this 6 months program. Now, they're just examples. Obviously, don't make them up. You have to track if these are working. You can use really simple tools. I'm not going to get into that. Now, because I've been doing this with my clients this year, my clients have seen a 1,442% increase in ROI from working with me. I work with course creators, I help them make more money from their course sales. And because of this strategy, this is a really big one that we've implemented, this change that we've made. Clients have seen a 1,442% return on investment from working with me, which I am very pleased about that number. So this strategy, like I said, is so important to be doing this. It really will help reduce that buying decision. People can see that they can trust you, and also including other metrics like the number of people who've gone through the program, the number of cohorts that you've run, if you've been running this for years, to show that it is a proven, trusted method. Have you used this method with clients before? There are lots of different stats, lots of different numbers that we can use to help increase that trust in your brand. And it's really just about digging in, and I promise you that the time it takes to do this will be totally worth it. Now, if you would like to see the other 24 amazing strategies that are inside my free industry report, make sure you grab it at the link below in the description. It features incredible people from the online industry, including Laura Belgray, who is a founder and best-selling author. It features Iman Ishmael, who is a head email strategist. It also features Alice Benham, who is a speaker, author, and online business strategist. And it also features Jamar Diggs, who is a YouTube marketing consultant, along with 20 other amazing people in the industry. So I really want you to grab this report. It features a ton of amazing strategies. And even though the people in the industries are quite different, it's really interesting to see like really similar themes coming up over and over again. So if you love this video, go and grab the free industry report down in the link below. And in the meantime, I would love if you would hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.